understand English. You can even read English. But when it's time to speak, you stop. Not because of your grammar, but because of your pronunciation. And today we are going to fix one small sound that can change your confidence instantly. Hello, my dear English learner. Welcome back to Mom and Sons English World. And welcome to our English gym, where small sound create a big, powerful speaker. I hope all are doing fantastic. I feel fresh and energetic day. Let's focus on today's sound. The sound is J. Slightly close your mouth, push the sound forward, let your voice vibrate. Say with me, J, J, J. It is a confident J sound. Repeat after me, slowly first, then naturally. Jaw, jump, juice, joy, enjoy, jelly. Very good, excellent. Keep it clear and confident. Let's train your tongue with fun tongue twister. Jolly Jack, enjoy juicy jam. Jolly Jack, enjoy juicy jam. Second one, jelly jaws jump in the June. Jelly jaws jump in the June. One more time, jelly jaws jump in the June. Wow, wonderful. Excellent job. Now, challenging time. Are you ready? Let's start. Jolly Jack and Jelly joyful juggle juicy jelly jaws in the jungle. Jolly Jack and Jelly joyful juggle juicy jelly jaws in the jungle. Second one. Jack the juggler joyful juggles jelly jaws while jumping in June. One more time. Jack the juggler joyful juggles jelly jaws while jumping in the June. Fantastic. Say each sentence 3 times. Don't stop, don't slow down. If you laugh, start again. Command J done. If you complete the challenge. Speak with confidence. I enjoy my journey. I jump over my fears. I choose joy every day. I do my job with confidence. I create a joyful life. Maybe your English already good, but pronunciation make powerful. And today you train your tongue. You improve your clarity. You build your confidence. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. And today, you just took one step forward. One strong step forward. See you in the next English gym. Until then, keep practicing, keep smart, keep shine.